Alright everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 2006 Pontiac GTO. Yeah, that's right, 2006. A little vintage now since it's 2024 going on 2025. Let's start off with the exterior. You got a red, glossy red with the spoiler in the back. You got the 5-spoke Pontiac style wheels on it. Going into the interior now, you can see it is a manual, 6-speed, which is the best. This car is definitely perfect for those who want to learn how to drive manual, or if you want to intend to be here in Tokyo Drift. This is a perfect drift kind of car for you. Just minor advice, don't get caught. As for the mileage, I believe it has very low mileage, under 100,000. Of course, I can't say now because of the display unit, but there are no codes. In fact, as you can see, it has the red cluster to match the exterior of the car. Very clean car. It has a 6.0 liter LS underneath the hood. I'd like to say it is a very nice, smooth cruiser. Of course, as you know, with these newer cars, you're not going to have as much problem as the older cars. But as for now, we're just going to get it turned around and up on the lift, so stay tuned to see the underneath.